Saint Tropez Beach is one of the most famous and attractive destinations on the Mediterranean coast of southern France. With smooth white sand and clear blue sea, Saint Tropez attracts tourists from all over the world to relax and enjoy the fresh sea air. Saint Tropez Beach is located in the southwest of France in the Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur region on the Mediterranean coast. This special geographical location creates favorable conditions for Saint Tropez to become an international tourism center, attracting millions of visitors each year. The climate in Saint Tropez is considered one of the special features of the Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur region. With a warm Mediterranean climate, Saint Tropez typically has hot and dry summers, along with warm and humid winters. find the video we share good and meaningful, leave your opinion below in the comments section so I can know your opinions and wishes about what you want to see in the next videos. A walk on Saint Tropez Beach is a wonderful experience, giving you a feeling of relaxation and immersion in the wild beauty of the sea. Stepping out of the beach, you will be immersed in the vast space of the ocean, with fine white sand and gentle waves lapping on the shore. Along the beach, there are small trails leading, allowing you to explore different areas of the beach and enjoy the beautiful scenery from every angle. Join us on our journey to discover beautiful and magical destinations around the world through our Wandering channel. We are committed to bringing you meaningful experiences and wonderful images, helping you expand your horizons and explore the world around you in a new way. Hit the subscribe button today to become part of our vibrant travel community on Wandering.